In this video, we'll be integrating from -2 to 2 of quantity x cubed times cosine x over 2 plus 1/2 multiplied by the square root of 4 minus x squared. First thing we're going to do is distribute the square root to both the x cubed cosine x over 2 and the 1/2, and we're going to split it up into two separate integrals. Now first let's consider the first integral. If we let f of x be whatever's inside this first integral, then f of x is x cubed times cosine x over 2 times the square root of 4 minus x squared. Now let's look at f of negative x. So we're going to plug in negative x in for x. Cosine is an even function, so it's just going to be cosine x over 2. When I square the negative inside the square root here, that's going to be positive. It's still going to be x squared. But the only thing that changes is the x cubed. So negative x, if I cube negative x, I get negative x cubed. And so f of x is going to equal negative f of x. And that's the definition of an odd function. So we can use a property that whenever we integrate over a symmetric interval, so from here from -2 to 2, of an odd function, the area is going to be 0. And so what that leaves us is we need to integrate the integral from -2 to 2 of 1/2 times the square root of 4 minus x squared. First, let's factor out the 1/2. And there's a couple ways to do this. I think the easiest way is to look at the graph of the square root of 4 minus x squared. The other way to do this is you could do trig substitution, or you can also do a u substitution. But those involve too much work. If we look at the graph of square root of 4 minus x squared, we see that it is a semicircle with radius 2. So what we can say is the area of a circle is pi r squared, but this is a semicircle, so you're going to take half of the area of the circle. So this 1/2 comes over here. Now we have 1/2 pi r squared. So it's half the area of the circle squared. And so when you simplify this, you get 2 squared is 4 times 1/2 times 1/2. That's going to be 1. And so the final answer is pi.